Hello everyone. Um, my name is Shaon. Um, this is an intro video for my channel. It's a new channel that I made. Um, I'm not a um, professional YouTuber. It's my first channel and first intro video actually. I haven't done something like this before. Um, Hopefully, as I carry on, I learn and improve my channel. It will be great for my channel to if you guys click the subscribe button and click on the bell icon also. um it will tremendously help my channel, right? um my channel's name is AA Fix. It's actually a physical repair place. Since this start of this pandemic situation in South Africa, it is really hard time. So something came up in my mind. I've been trying different stuff to do something on the time that I have nothing to do basically. Yeah. Repair was a hobby to me previously. I mean, till now actually. Um, I've been fascinated about laptops and computers. Basically, laptop and computers mainly. Beside that, I have interest on normal electronical product also, devices also. um I never really tried to do work like professionally. I think this pandemic changed the situation for every one of our life. Yeah. um when I started or had this idea to start a repair service from home. I'm doing currently repair service from home. When I start this, it came in my mind um, to open a YouTube channel. As myself, I learned a lot from lots of different YouTube channels. I learned a lot, honestly speaking. Um, Still learning. Hopefully, um, it's gonna. I can only learn and learn. So the reason for the channel to make this channel is South Africa. In South Africa, it's very hard for anyone to get a local YouTube channel. There are lots of YouTube channels, but um, especially repairing channels is not much, and there are stuff that many of normal end users or normal consumer can do by themselves to recover their device or repair the device. It doesn't matter cell phone, tablet, PC or laptop. Um, But many of us, the normal people, we tend to have that fear in us that no, if I touch this or if I click on that or if I open this, that will happen, it will break my device. So hopefully my idea of opening this channel or creating this channel for those, especially for those people who can try certain stuff themselves. See, and it's also not easy for us South African people to find a good repair shop. It's quite difficult unless you are in a big city, Joburg, Johannesburg, Durban, Cape Town. Yeah, there is available, but I'm from a small town. The nearest city or big town that I have is nearly 300 kilometers from now, and it's not easy for many of us to go that much of distance, drive that much of distance, or travel that much of distance to get our cell phone repaired or this repair. That the local repair shop is there, but some of the repair work, even they have to take it to big cities to do. You can say the reason for it: lack of equipment, lack of software, lack of this, lack of that. So my interest on this repair section or repair service, I always been fascinated. I always wanted to learn how to do this, how to do that. So yeah, I finally opened my own repair channel. Well, it's not gonna be only repair videos that I post. Um, as I am a new repair service, repair, I can't say shop because I'm doing it from home. So basically, repair service, which I'm running from home. I can only repair as I get um, repair work from customers, clients. So hopefully, I will have in time. I will have repairs that I want to do it on camera. So there are many people that can. I hope that who can be benefited from my videos in the future that I'm gonna post. Um, I basically started. Yeah, I don't have a professional setup, whether it's stream for the recording purpose. My recording studio basically, it's very. Some of you might get very shocked because I'm using everything as cheapest as I can get online. Most of my equipment is from Take a Lot. I will say thanks to RS Component. It's a online shop. They normally sell electronic components, tools, etc., etc. And then I also purchase few stuff from Mentech .co.za. It's also a online shop. They have a physical store. Um, they also sell electronic components, electronic tools. which um, is not easy to find. The suppliers for your components and tools is not easy in South Africa to find unless you travel in big cities. Yeah, there you can find quite easily most of the stuff if you know your where to look for it. Um, I'll make another video with my stream setup and my workbench setup. Well, my workbench is currently a big mess. It's not really a high quality workbench. I just use my normal table that I can get, and one or two equipment is old. Um, my soldering station or yeah, soldering station is old because in 2010 to 12, 2010, 11, and 12. That now it's from 2010 to 2012. I used to do cell phone repair. Um, I wasn't really doing a board level repair. There wasn't much to do board level repair because I wasn't very well equipped for board level repair that time. So I'm having a soldering station from that time. It's not a expensive or good quality even. I guess it cost me about 400 rand, which is around, if you looking into American currency, is gonna be around $26, 25 $26. So yeah, but it still can do the work, I believe. Um, but let me make this video not too long. Yeah, streaming setup and repair setup. I will make two separate videos for them where I can even show you guys what type of equipment I have and using. Um, and my initial goal is making some videos if I do repairs. When I don't do repairs or I don't have any repairs to do, I want to do casual gaming videos also. Um, I love gaming, but I'm not a hardcore gamer, so I'm probably not gonna do esport gamings like most other YouTubers. It's gonna be normal games playing in my PC with my PC component or whatever. Uh, yes, I hope that those videos can be interesting or enjoyable to you guys. I'm going to end this video now. Please do subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you for watching.